Electrical and plumbing jobs become much easier when you have the right tools. KNIPEX has introduced a range of innovative solutions designed to improve speed, precision, and safety. From advanced cable cutters to versatile plumbing tools, in today's video, we'll explore some of their newest tools that are built to make demanding jobs faster, easier, and more efficient. Preparing thick electrical cables often requires plenty of force, and one wrong cut can easily damage the conductors underneath. The KNIPEX Ratchet cable cutter is designed to remove that hassle, giving electricians a faster, safer, and much more controlled way to strip heavy cable sheaths without unnecessary effort. Its innovative ratcheting mechanism multiplies cutting power, allowing you to work through thick insulation with impressive ease. 3 dedicated cutting zones handle both circular and longitudinal sheath cuts, while the integrated guide shoe keeps internal conductors protected throughout the process. A built-in 3-line depth scale lets you strip plastic sheaths up to 1/4 inch thick with outstanding accuracy, reducing the chance of costly mistakes. The sickle-shaped blade folds away securely and locks into 4 different positions to suit various cutting tasks, while the ergonomic thumb support and 3-stage locking system improve both comfort and safety. As solar installations continue to grow, preparing photovoltaic cables quickly and accurately has become more important than ever before. The KNIPEX ErgoStrip PV is purpose-built for that exact job, combining multiple cable preparation tasks into one compact tool that saves both time and effort on every installation. Designed specifically for 4 and 6 square millimeter photovoltaic cables, including H1, Z2, Z2-K types, it also works effortlessly with standard round and damp-proof cables. Its comfortable pistol grip design allows you to cut, strip, and perform longitudinal sheath cuts with excellent control, while the adjustable stripping stop delivers consistent stripping lengths between 6 and 18 millimeters, ideal for connector installation. Slim, tapered tips easily reach confined electrical boxes, and integrated locating ridges keep cables perfectly aligned for cleaner results. Anyone who's worked inside cramped plumbing systems or crowded machinery knows that standard pliers often struggle to reach the fasteners that matter most. The KNIPEX Cobra ES is engineered specifically for those challenging situations, delivering exceptional reach without sacrificing gripping strength. Its extra-long, slim jaws provide outstanding access into narrow spaces, making maintenance and repair work much more convenient. Front serrated jaws grip screws, bolts, and round components securely, while a specially designed groove at the tip holds nails and pins firmly in place. Flat materials are stabilized through an intelligent 3-point contact system, ensuring a reliable grip from multiple angles. With 18 push-button adjustment positions, you can instantly match the jaw width to different workpieces, while the auto-locking mechanism reduces hand strain by maintaining a firm hold on pipes and nuts. Cutting plastic pipes is half the job. Preparing them properly before installation often requires additional deburring and chamfering, costing valuable time on every project. The KNIPEX DPT50 simplifies the entire process by performing multiple tasks in one smooth operation. Designed for 32, 40, and 50 millimeter plastic pipes, it cuts and chamfers simultaneously, producing clean pipe ends that are immediately ready for adhesive bonding. Self-adjusting guide rollers automatically center the pipe during cutting, ensuring smooth, consistent results without constant repositioning. The high-quality blade works efficiently on polypropylene, PVC, and similar plastic pipes with wall thicknesses between 2.5 and 3.5 millimeters. Built from premium ball-bearing steel, the blade is fully reversible without tools for extended service life, while an integrated spare blade remains conveniently stored inside the cutter.
Modern electrical and solar installations often require multiple crimping tools, forcing technicians to constantly switch equipment throughout the bay. The KNIPEX MultiCrimp eliminates that inconvenience by combining several crimping applications into one highly versatile professional tool. Its quick change system allows interchangeable dies to snap into place within seconds, while an integrated rotating magazine keeps up to 5 dies organized and ready whenever they're needed. The tool handles MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 photovoltaic connectors, uninsulated earthing cable connectors, and wire ferrules across a wide range of cable sizes, making it suitable from solar arrays to inverter installations. A precision ratchet mechanism guarantees uniform crimping pressure every time, ensuring strong, reliable electrical connections that meet professional standards. Instead of carrying several separate crimpers, MultiCrimp gives installers one efficient solution that saves space, speeds up workflow, and delivers consistently dependable results. Stripping wires shouldn't require constant adjustments or risk damaging delicate conductors. That's exactly why the KNIPEX ComStrip was developed, to make wire preparation faster, easier, and accurate regardless of your experience level. It automatically adapts to solid, stranded, and finely stranded wires ranging from 0.2 to 6 square millimeters, eliminating manual guesswork during stripping. For unusual insulation materials or extreme working temperatures, a fine adjustment feature allows even greater precision. Integrated cutting blades cleanly handle solid conductors up to 2.5 square millimeters and stranded wires up to 6 square millimeters without requiring an additional tool. Adjustable stripping stops ensure repeatable lengths between 6 and 18 millimeters, while the compact head easily reaches confined electrical spaces. Few things are more frustrating than dealing with stripped screws or damaged fasteners that refuse to budge. The KNIPEX TwinGrip is built specifically for those moments, combining multiple gripping functions into one compact tool that tackles jobs ordinary pliers simply can't handle. Its innovative front and side gripping jaws allow it to firmly hold stripped screws, nails, bolts, and a variety of round, square, hexagonal, and flat materials. While the front jaws bite directly into damaged fasteners for extraction, the side jaws generate powerful gripping force for twisting and turning with confidence. A 5-position push-button adjustment system lets you quickly match the jaw opening to different workpieces, while the slim head easily fits into confined spaces where larger pliers can't reach. Hardened teeth with approximately 61 HRC deliver exceptional bite and long-lasting durability, and the heavy-duty box joint construction keeps everything stable under pressure. When it comes to photovoltaic installations, every crimp matters. A poor electrical connection can reduce efficiency and create long-term reliability issues. That's why the KNIPEX PressiForce is engineered to deliver consistently accurate, professional quality crimps with every single squeeze. Designed specifically for MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 connectors, it features an optimized crimp geometry that maximizes electrical conductivity while ensuring a secure mechanical connection. The precision fixed die keeps every connector perfectly aligned throughout the crimping process, and the integrated ratchet mechanism only releases once the correct pressure has been achieved, eliminating inconsistent crimps. Factory-calibrated force settings and smooth lever action reduce hand fatigue during repetitive work, while the lightweight, ergonomic design keeps the tool comfortable throughout long installation days. Large electrical cables often demand a surprising amount of force to cut, turning what should be a simple task into a tiring job. The KNIPEX Stepcut XL changes that completely by combining intelligent blade geometry with high-leverage mechanics for effortless cutting performance. Its extra-long handles and optimized pivot joint significantly reduce the force required to cut thick copper in aluminum conductors. Special stepped cutting edges prevent cable flattening while handling a wide variety of conductor sizes, from smaller solid cables to heavy-duty fine-stranded wiring. Designed for both one-handed and two-handed operation, it provides excellent control regardless of the application. The slim cutting head easily reaches crowded distribution panels and electrical cabinets, while laser-hardened cutting edges maintain exceptional sharpness even after years of demanding professional use. As electric vehicles become more common, technicians need specialized insulated tools they can rely on every day. The KNIPEX tool case for electric vehicles brings together everything required for safe, high-voltage servicing in one organized, professional-grade solution. Inside the rugged carrying case are 29 VDE-tested insulated tools, including premium pliers, open-ended spanners, screwdrivers, a 3/8-inch reversible ratchet set, and protective insulating gloves. Every tool is stored inside precision-cut foam inserts with clearly color-coded compartments, allowing technicians to instantly identify missing tools and maintain an organized workspace. Despite carrying a complete professional toolkit, the case remains lightweight and easy to transport between garages, dealerships, and service centers. Making clean pipe cuts in confined plumbing spaces can be frustrating when traditional cutters constantly slip or require awkward adjustments. The KNIPEX Tubix is designed to eliminate those problems, delivering fast, accurate cuts with exceptional ease of use. Its innovative quick lock mechanism allows the cutter to clamp onto pipes using just one hand, leaving the other free to position the tool exactly where it's needed. The spring-loaded cutting wheel automatically applies consistent pressure throughout the cut, producing smooth, accurate results on stainless steel and other metal pipes ranging from 3 to 30 millimeters in diameter. Needle-bearing guide rollers keep rotation effortless, while the textured adjustment knob delivers approximately 20% more torque and maintains a secure grip even with wet or oily hands. Crimping wire ferrules inside crowded electrical cabinets can quickly become awkward when your tool won't fit the working angle. The KNIPEX Twister 16 solves that challenge with an innovative rotating head that brings unmatched flexibility to professional electrical installations. Its head rotates a full 360 degrees and locks securely into 8 different positions, allowing comfortable access from virtually any direction without repositioning the workpiece. The tool automatically adjusts to wire ferrules ranging from 0.14 to 16 square millimeters, producing highly accurate square crimps that ensure excellent electrical contact every time. Long ferrules remain easily accessible from both sides, while twin ferrules up to 2 by 6 square millimeters are handled just as efficiently. An advanced precision ratchet guarantees consistent crimping pressure, and the advanced toggle lever mechanism dramatically reduces hand effort. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly versatile, the Twister 16 delivers professional quality crimps while making difficult installation work feel noticeably easier. That wraps up our look at some of the new KNIPEX tools that make electrical and plumbing work easier. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments, share this video if you found it useful, and hit subscribe for more tool reviews, guides, and tips to make every job easier.